Hi, I'm Cash, and I'm the product manager here at Laxco Microscope. Today I'm really happy to talk to you about the SLI Pro Series inverted microscope platform. Here I have the SLI 3 Pro inverted microscope. It allows you to view fluorescence in 3 channels, and here I have the SLI 6 Pro, which has more advanced features and is expandable up to 12 channels. But what I'm really excited to talk about is that by introducing our patent pending light cube technology, which is LED based, combined with our CIBA software, we have redefined fluorescence microscopy. Now, make your systems future proof. You can go from a simple inverted bright field system to a multi-channel fluorescence system in just about 5 minutes. All you need to do is insert this light cube at the back of your SLI 3 Pro and on the side of your SLI 6 Pro, and you can go from a basic bright field to a multi-channel system. We have also increased the ease of use. You can go from a bright field image straight away to a multi-channel color fluorescence image at the click of a button. We have also ensured that we move away from the traditional black and white pseudo-colored images, which are generally taken on a mercury vapor lamp system, and then finally they are processed to get the final image. Here, what you see is what you get. Basically, what you see on your eyepieces is directly captured and is presented on your tablet by the use of a highly sensitive 1.7 megapixel color camera. And also by the introduction of our patented CIBA lit software, we have ensured that all crosstalk is removed when you're switching from channel to channel or even in your multi-channel images. For more information, log on to www.laxcoinc.com or click on the link below. Thank you.